Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Vanessa and welcome back if you're a subscriber. It's great to see you again. Today's video is a review and try on of a hair product. This is a product that I really wanted to try for a long time, but I couldn't really find many reviews out, and it's a bit of a different product, so I didn't really know what to think of it, but I ended up getting it and trying it. So this is what it is. It's the BRIOGEO Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. I'll link it below if you're interested. Please like this video if you like review videos. Or if you like hair videos, and also comment below what are your favorite hair products, because I'd love to try them, especially if you have damaged hair too. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave for more videos. So this is the packaging of it. It is gorgeous. It's glass. It says BRIOGEO Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment, and you can see by the color there's actual charcoal in it. It comes in a glass bottle. It has a dropper. And that's how it looks with the dropper. Like, it just looks great. The packaging is definitely a seller. I've never tried anything from BRIOGEO, so I was researching through products, and this one is supposed to help with hair growth because it has biotin in it and you're putting it directly on the scalp. It's also supposed to be good for dry scalps, and it kind of soothes an itchy or dry scalp, which I have. I have dry everything, so I definitely have a dry scalp as well. But I was more so getting it to soothe my scalp, but also to promote hair growth. So it says this pH balance scalp treatment is formulated with a unique complex of tea tree, biotin, panthenol, and witch hazel to soothe dry scalp itchiness and restore balance and hydration. Deep cleansing by binchotin charcoal draws out impurities to help rid the scalp and hair follicle of dead skin and product buildup, promoting healthy hair growth at the root. So it says to use it, you're supposed to part your hair, apply 1 to 2 drops to each part, and massage into the scalp. Don't rinse out. The treatment should be applied after washing and before styling. So how I've been using this is, first of all, I find it's non-greasy. So you really could use it after you first wash your hair, but I don't. I use it on like second day hair and beyond. So I'll show you how I use it now. So I just shake it really well, like this, and then I get it in the vial here. I take a full pump of it, and then I put it on my hand like this, and I massage it around, and then I go all around my hair on the scalp and massage it in circular motions. And sometimes I'll turn my head upside down and do it upside down as well. But I find it just smells so good. It smells like tea tree. And the second that you put it on your hair, it just feels so cooling and like comfortable on the scalp. So I've been using it for around a month now, and I use it often, and I still have quite a bit left, so I feel like a little goes a long way. And as you can see, it doesn't really make your hair look greasy or weighed down or anything. It just kind of addresses the root, I guess. And it feels comfortable on the scalp. It's soothing. It's pleasant to wear. It's not like it's sticky or build-up-y feeling or anything. And then I'll go to bed, and the next day, whenever I remember, I can put it on even multiple days in a row. So I love that it's cooling and relaxing to the scalp, and it feels really good on the scalp. But the biggest benefits that I've found is after I shampoo. So I shampoo and condition like I normally do. And I'm not using any other new products because I'm really trying to test this out. And I find that after I rinse my hair out, my hair is so shiny, especially around the root area. It's no flakes or anything like that. So I find it really is helping. And my hair does seem to be growing a lot as well. When I come out of the shower and my hair's dry, my hair is just so silky soft, especially at the root. It's so healthy looking. It looks hydrated and soft and silky, and it feels soft, and it does seem to help with product buildup. Like my scalp just feels cleaner, and I have noticed that my hair is growing. I have a lot of baby hairs like around this area. Sorry, I scratched my forehead. I have a lot of baby hairs going on, and I just find that I've really been enjoying it. So I just want to make this review just in case you're wondering about the product, but that's just my thoughts on it after using it for a month. It is kind of expensive. I love the packaging. I love the ingredients. I love how it makes my hair feel immediately when I use it. And then after washing it and stuff, I've really noticed a big difference. I'll continue to use it and keep you updated about if my hair is actually growing faster or not. But if you do like this video and you like review videos and hair care videos, please like it and comment below what are your favorite products, especially if you have damaged or dry or dyed hair. I'd love to know so I can try them. And have you used other stuff by BRIOGEO, and what would you recommend? Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day and a great summer.